Hello guys, welcome back. Today's topic will all be about carbs. This section of things is a lot more in depth, so it will probably go on for longer than a week, which is perfect. So this week's will all be about carbs. There, of course, are better ones than not, but at K&J, what we always say, I will beat this, is everything in moderation is okay. Whatever works best for you might not work best for the other person. So it's just whatever works best for you. So they recommend 100% whole wheat bread, whole wheat English muffins, brown rice, whole wheat pasta. I do want to recommend, I don't mind brown rice. But at our house, what we prefer is jasmine rice. It's white. It's probably not as great for you, but it tastes better. And that's just that's kind of where our 80-20 rule comes in, is that we'll make that on the 20. Popcorn, couscous, quinoa, all of the things that just oatmeal, all of the things that just don't sound appealing. But again, you can always add different seasonings on this. I know later in this we'll talk about how to eliminate salt. Or not completely, but just reduce the amount. A lot of it, what it comes down to is seasoning will help. What they say for limit use are crackers, chips, rolls, donuts, pastries, croissants, biscuits, mac and cheese, boxed rice, pasta mixes. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that you guys can't eat boxed rice with your vegetables and your protein. I think that's wonderful if you're eating that out on the road. This is a more stricter diet, I would say. I'm here just giving the information that they are recommending, and then hopefully you can find maybe even a tenth of it helpful. So if you have any further questions, of course, ask me, or we actually have this printout. So if you find any of this intriguing and you want to actually a hard copy of this, I am happy to give it to you. So drive safe out there, and thank you for all you do.